A lot of you guys are asking me, hey Sam, how are you so handsome and jacked and smart and funny, and how do I create songs with AI? Can you teach me? And to you, baby boy and baby girl and baby whatever, you got it. Got it. I'm teaching you in this video, in this workflow, how to create a song using different AI tools so you can create your music, your own songs for whatever purpose you want. Like, you can create a song for your lover or for your friend or for your enemy. You know what, dude? Sometimes your friend is also your lover. Your lover is also your enemy. Actually, most of the time, the point is you are now a musician if you know how to use the correct AI tools. Like, you're literally Mozart and Lil Pump at the same time and the guys of Green Day. So, by the end of this bit, I'm gonna teach you the ideation part, the creation of the lyrics, how to create your own song using Suno, and how to create graphics for your beautiful song, right? Beautiful visuals for a beautiful song. I am Sam from AI for Marketers, and let's dive into this beautiful workflow. So, ideation. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is the ideation part. We basically need to come up with a song idea. And how do we do that? Using our beautiful Spotify. You can also use Apple Music or whatever you want. Okay, so we need to take inspiration from a song. The first thing I want to do in Spotify is go to like an artist that I really like. Let's say Drake. I really like Drake. We have Nonstop. Okay. We have Rico. Dude, that one. Wow. For working out, yeah, dude. Okay. No Stylist with French Montana. That one. Yeah, I'm going bad with Meek Mill. That was actually my favorite. And I already have like an idea of what I want to make the song about. But if you don't know, just go to your Spotify and search like, you know, the artist that you like the most and what kind of topics he raps about or sings about. In my case, I really like Drake and I want to do a song like that, but in a topic of my preference. So our next step is finding the topic for the song. Okay, so the idea I want is that I want to go to San Francisco soon and I want to have a good time there. I'm super interested in tech and business and I want to visit that city. I've never been to San Francisco. I really like that city. I really like the whole culture of Silicon Valley. So we're gonna grab all of those concepts, me going to San Francisco, me liking tech and me liking business, and we're gonna make that a song. So in topics here, we're gonna say visit SF, we're gonna say tech, and we're gonna say business. So that's our style and our general topics. In Drake's voice, Sam's gonna visit San Francisco. He's like a super tech nerd, but he's a business magnet. So we have to make a song about that. And because we're gonna use Suno to create the instrumental and the music, we need to use ChatGPT to create the lyrics. So we're gonna go to ChatGPT, to this prompt generator, and we're gonna tell this GPT, I want a song.
I want a song in Drake style about me, Sam from AI for Marketers. I'm going to San Francisco in a business trip. Super cool because I'm going to meet a lot of interesting people building great companies in Silicon Valley. I really like tech and I'm a business savage. Let's go.
Okay, so I recommend using this style of prompt, like just telling the story you want and letting like the AI do the hard part of the job, that is like basically creating the lyric structure. So let's go. Okay. It's making it Savage in the Valley. Okay, that's it. That's the name of the song. Savage in the Valley, confident in hip hop, R&B, rap, smooth yet bold male voice. Yeah, I'm touching down in SF. I'm on that tech grind, meeting visionaries, building future out of cloud mines. Okay, I'm walking through the valley, every step's a move, linked with the founders. They got something to prove. Okay, talking AI dreams while the city's lit. Tech billionaires, man. We're talking big hits. Let's go. Sam from AI, the future's voice. I fucking am the future's voice, dude. Every deal I'm in is a power choice. It is. Dude, that's one of my goals. I don't know if you guys are into that kind of stuff. One of my 10-year goals is that by the time I'm 30-something, me being invested in a company is a signal of that company's success. And of course, maybe not at that level, but I want to have invested early in all of these companies of the future. I really like this thing. I speak their language, I know the code, turning every handshake into pure gold. Wow, dude. Okay. Yeah. This is like a rapper thing, though. This guy's flexing. Okay, I want to do this. I want to mention
my channel AI for Marketers. And also make the song not R&B, but more like Look Alive from Drake.
Sam's in the city. Let's get it. Hey, touchdown, I'm in the bay talking silicon plans. Moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for marketers, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the valley shook. Okay, this is the lyrics I want. These are the lyrics I want. That's the style of song I want. Let's go to the next phase of the workflow because we're gonna do the best song about Silicon Valley ever, dude. We are now in Suno, right? You can see here Suno, global trending. Super cool. We have a tutorial on this software already, like an extensive tutorial, a beginner's tutorial, and we're also gonna do the advanced one. But here you're gonna learn also like how to play with Suno a little bit and create songs of any style you want. Let's go to create here, and what we're gonna do is activate the custom mode, and we're gonna grab our lyrics from GPT, and we're gonna go to Suno and copy them. Now we're gonna go to ChatGPT again, and we're gonna copy the style. And for title, I really prefer this first one, Savage in the Valley. Savage, you know what, dude? I'm not gonna do Savage, I'm gonna do Savage. Savage. Like that, Savage in the Valley. Okay, Savage. Yeah, like that. I don't know which one, but like, you know. Oh, we're gonna do V1, and we're gonna press create. Okay, let's hear the first version. I'm a bit nervous, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit nervous about this. Let's hear it.
Yeah, hey, Sam in the city, let's get it, hey, yeah. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans, moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for marketers, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the value shook. CEOs on speed dial, vision set to thrive. Innovators in my circle, man, this trip survive. I'm not just talking, I'm making moves. Every link I spark up is a win, never lose.
I'm a genius, dude. I am literally a genius. The guy does 2 prompts and already thinks he's a genius. No, like, this is great. I don't love it, but I really like what we've done. Like, I like that we've created the structure and that the song has the message we want. So I really like that. But like, let's hear like the other song. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like Brazilian pop.
Yeah, hey. 10 minutes city, let's get it, hey. Yeah. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans, moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for marketers, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the valley shook. CEOs off speed dial, vision set to thrive. Innovators in my circle, man, this trip survive. I'm not just talking, I'm making moves. Every link I spark up is a win, never lose.
Interesting. Like, I like it. I don't like, you know, both of them. Like, I don't especially like. I think it's something about the prompt here, like the aggressive jet sharp, the fast-paced flow. I could change here, like, you know, normal paced flow, deep male voice. I would put aggressive sharp, trap, confident, hip hop. Yeah, I think everything else would just, you know, be in the same style I want. And I don't really like my sandwich in the valley. It was sandwich is too much. Sam's in the valley V1. Okay, I think I prefer that. And the other thing I also want to add is some like background voices. You add the vocals with parentheses. So if you want to add any type of vocals like in the background, you just add, you know, parentheses and the thing you want them to say. Also I'm gonna do deep male voice. I'm gonna punk rock. Create. Okay.
Yeah, hey. Sam in the city, let's get it, hey. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans, moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for markets, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the valley shook. CEOs on speed dial, vision set to thrive. Innovators in my circle, man, this trip survive.
I wanna cry, dude. That was excellent. That was amazing. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Like, that song's amazing, dude. And it talks about me and my, you know, that's great, dude. Really love it. Let's change hip hop for gangster rap. Yeah, I think it could be a good combination. Let's go to V2 and let's create again.
Yeah, hey. Sam in the city, let's get it, hey. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans, moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with banners. AI for marketers, that's the brand I push. Building futures, cause connections got the valley shook.
Yeah, love that. I think the gangster rap there, funk rock, slow bass, and let's use Japanese folk to be creative. Okay, you can be creative with this thing. That's a cool thing about. Okay, we have something the Valley V3. Sounds slow.
Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans. Moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. Ain't not for marketers, that's the brand I push.
Okay, kind of like it. I don't love the slow pace thing, so let's put normal pace, flow, the male voice, and let's change Japanese music with Spanish guitar. Let's add trap, aggressive, R&B. Okay, that's promising.
Same in the city.
Okay.
Let's get it. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans. Moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for markets, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the valley shook. CEOs on speed dial, vision set to thrive. Innovators in my circle, man, this trip survive. I'm not just talking, I'm making moves. Every link I spark up is a win, never lose. Savage in the valley, big plays, I make them. AI for marketers, that's how I shake them.
That's how I shake
in
them.
the room, everybody pays respect. I'm a silicone grinding, time to collect. SF skyline, all these deals I close, I'm built different. Everybody he knows, they see the numbers, they know I'm a beast. Talking future tech moves, we feast. Channel blowing up, everybody's tuned in. AI for marketers, that's where we begin. Savage in the valley, big plays, I make them. AI for marketers, that's how I shake them. Sam in the room, everybody pays respect. I'm a silicone grinding, time to collect.
Dude, we have one.
City making boss moves.
Okay.
Out here, every handshake improves.
Are you kidding me? Dude, are you kidding me? That's amazing. That's great. Like that, we actually have an official song for the channel. Okay, I like that one. That one's amazing. Samson the Valley before. Yeah, we have a winner already. And we need to have like a cool cover for our song. And so I'm gonna teach you how to use your idea of your song to create cool graphics using Midjourney. And before doing the Midjourney thing, we're gonna go to GPT and we're gonna ask it, give me a prompt
to create the graphic cover for this song on Midjourney.
Okay, so we have here our prompt for Midjourney that GPT gave us. Let's copy that and go here. Let's go to Midjourney and in create, going to imagine a vibrant dynamic graphic cover for a
Create a vibrant, dynamic graphic cover for a hip-hop song titled Sam in the City. Feature an urban skyline of San Francisco with the iconic Golden Gate Bridge in the background, bathed in sunset hues. Incorporate elements of technology and innovation like circuit patterns and AI motifs. The central figure, a confident young man in casual streetwear, exuding ambition and energy. Include the song title in bold, modern typography, and use a color palette of gold, blue, and purple.
Let's put it in square because we want the square. Standard, the raw, sorry. That's cool, but like this guy doesn't look like me that much. It's like in a GTA style, right? Dude, so bad. I kinda like this one the most. I don't love it, so let's variate it strongly. Okay. Now it's not following the prompt that well. Let's change the style maybe because country song. Let's vary that one strongly. That one could be to this one, dude. This one's cover. This literally me, dude.
Yeah. Ay. Sam in the city. Let's get it. Ay. Yeah. Touchdown, I'm in the bay, talking silicon plans. Moving tech, dropping knowledge like I'm dealing with bands. AI for markets, that's the brand I push. Building futures, close connections, got the valley shook. CEOs on speed dial, vision set to thrive. Innovators in my circle, man, this trip survive. I'm not just talking, I'm making moves. Every link I spark up is a win, never lose. Savage in the valley, big plays, I make them. AI for
Okay, so there you go. We created a super cool song in less than 20 minutes. Basically using GPT, Suno, and Midjourney, you can apply this same workflow to whatever idea you want. Like the amount of things you can do with AI now, dude, it's truly magical. Sometimes I like, you know, this is great, dude. Yeah, I'm just visualizing like this trip I want to do SF, and it now has a soundtrack thanks to Suno and to all of these tools and to this workflow. You can apply this same workflow I'm doing for your brand, your ads, your, like, let's say you're making like a movie. Like, you can literally create your own songs, your own music, your own soundtracks, and that's truly magical.
Out here, every handshake improves.